This is a demonstration of a combination of two mistakes made on the up line during a vertical roll to the right. The first mistake comes from setting my up line slightly negative. And the second mistake comes when I pull a little bit on the stick at the beginning of the roll. The combination of these errors positions my left wing far below the horizon at the beginning of the roll. I will have to correct with stick forward, or with a very powerful aircraft I could correct with right rudder, but this will greatly increase drag.